This is our new collections command center for SAP Business One. It is not a static report, it's live data coming from Business One at this moment. We can see this business has 826,000 outstanding and 473,000 overdue. If you are running debtors in Business One at the moment, you probably run your aging report Monday morning, export that to Excel, and then start working on it. But by Wednesday, it's all changed, and who promised what is starting to get a little bit fuzzy. This system changes all of that. It gives you a prioritized work list sorted by money at risk, and we can see by the flags what the status is for each customer. This one here has a broken promise. They said they'll pay by the 14th, but they didn't. This customer here has promised to pay by the 20th, so that is due this week, and we need to have a look at that. This customer here has some very old invoices, and we can see 2 of them has been escalated. Also, this aging bar is not just a graph, it's actually a filter as well. So clicking on that will filter out the customers that falls into that bucket and allows you to quickly get to the most important things. If you click on a customer, you can also see a detailed list of the invoices and the status of each, plus the conversation history. This customer, we can see they promised to make a payment by the 10th, and they did. They made it by the 8th already. If we look at this customer here, you can see we've got a problem. They broke their promise of the payment they were going to make. So we can create a reminder right from here. The system can draft that for us with details of everything for every invoice. We can edit this as needed and then push that into Outlook, where we need to trigger the sending ourselves. We can also, if there's a customer, let's say Mary just phoned in and said they will make another payment by next Monday, we can record that as a promise in the system. And let's say she said they'll pay 50,000 by the 27th. And we just adjust that, say 50K, and save that into Business One. And if we look at Business One now, we already had that activity there. I just refresh that, and we can see there was a new activity created by our user on this account with the exact details we discussed. So it gives us a full audit trail and keeps the whole system up to date, so we can see exactly what is happening. And in the same way, we can also log calls in the system. Another thing that's really handy is because this is built on top of our B1 connector, we can talk to Business One. So if we start a new chat and we say this connects live to Business One, and it'll query our database and then come back with a recommendation. You can actually use the same to edit data in Business One, and you can keep reasoning over this and ask it to draft you some more information or retrieve further information from Business One. So we are building the system for 10 founding customers, and if you sign up, we guarantee that you will be live on your data with your processes within 4 weeks. More information on the offer will be available in the links. Thank you very much.